All you wanna do is smash, bro.
Yo, what's up, boys? This your boy Jokes I Go, the Street Bishop. Welcome to Excellence in 12 minutes. Yeah, today we're going to be rating these guys on how romantic they are. Let's see if these guys actually are romantic or it's just theory. Let's go to prove it practical.
So these guys are going to have to set up a date setup. Then the lady is going to come in and rate it.
Let's go.
Okay, the lady will actually come and read this. Let's see if the guy actually managed to impress the lady with his efforts. I think he tried. He raped the cutlery. He just crowded the flowers. Let's see what the lady is going to say.
Hello. What's up? So you're not even gonna offer me a seat, or you prefer I stand?
No, it's actually can take
All right. So I'm gonna rate your setup first. Yeah, it is nice, but it's a bit crowded. Like, you see this? It's way too crowded, but yes, it's doing the thing. But I would have actually loved it more if you offered me a seat first and created new program. See, you're already seated down. So, but anyways, it's if I'm to rate it, I would give it a 5. You tried.
So what's up? Yeah, I should mention. Oh, shit, man. So I should mention I'm not a romantic guy, but then I'll do my best. Ah, shit. What is this? Dang, bro. What are the candles? Shit, I've never done this in my life before, bro. Bro, I'm not familiar with any of this stuff, you know. Like, wait, I got it. Nah, chill, I got it. Nah, I know what's up. This guy was finishing the candles and shit. But don't worry, I got this. I just need the candles in one rose. Wait, let's get it. What's your boy, Nigel? Oh, she has to raise everything. Okay, so I really don't get this, but it's fine. I'm trying. Ugh. I might burn this place down trying to impress a girl that I don't know. Guys, as girls, they should appreciate the things we do, whether small or big. And this is all I can do. And the kid. This is all I can do. Pull up, honey. Bruv. Pull up. Where's on? You wanna see some? Wait, check. It's properly set up. You know, these candles belong to you, these to me. You know, shine bright like a diamond. You know what? This is fucked, but it's fine. Oh, you're trying to rate?
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, fine.
Yes, so I'm checking your setup.
I'm really sorry. I'm not used to this thing, but you know.
The balloon burst in my face, but well, it was an error, I
That
guess.
was my fault.
And then the roses, yeah, it's cute. I love the setup, but why are these off? Why did you switch on one?
It's also not my fault, you know.
What happened?
If I was to buy candles, I was gonna buy like proper stuff, you know, like big candles, you know, proper ones. This is disturbing the whole thing, you know.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You know, if I had proper stuff, you know, it's gonna be proper.
Yeah, and I would have loved it.
And dude, guys, yeah, I'm so professional match. Hey, babe, you good? No, this one.
Oh, this is wow, thank you so much. Really appreciate this. Anyways, I'm loving this. This is super dope, honestly. I love the setup. The candles are well arranged. And Ro, you also presented yourself. Exactly. So, what do you have to say?
I have to say you're looking pretty and like your eyes. Yeah, something fun, you know? So, what do you say?
Right, so if I'm to rate you, I'll give you a 9. I feel like you were the best out of all of them. Yes, I'll give you a 9. Okay.
That's what is your so
for girls to be satisfied, you need about 10 guys.
Bad. I'm trying to bag this one. Alright. Hey, baby. You look beautiful today. You look so nice. Alright. So can we go for a date now?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Alright, cool. This is just a baby. Don't break her head. Make sure that it's fine. I like it like this. You can hold this way.
Alright. This is a very nice setup, and you're very sweet. Very sweet. I love the welcoming remarks. They were super amazing. So the setup, A+. This is super dope. I love it, and I love the atmosphere too. It's chilled, it's calm. So if I'm to rate you, well, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna give you a 10. I'm definitely giving you a 10. This is super romantic. Oh, okay. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
Wow, thank you so much. What's your name, by the way? Candace. Okay, it was nice to meet you. I love this. Thank you so much.
Can I give you a hug? Can I give you a hug?
Oh yeah,
Actually did well. You can see they all have different ideas. Yeah, which guy is going to choose?
Well, some of them tried, but I'm gonna go with one guy, and that guy is sitter number 3, the last one. Yes, he got a 10, everything was just perfect.
What did you like about suitor number 3? We had about 4 guys. One made you choose suitor number 3.
Well, his welcoming remarks.
Okay.
It was gentleman-like, and his dress code too. I love it. And his setup, it was neat. It was even the colors, he made them blend perfectly fine. The design and all was just amazing. And he properly sit at the wrist. So it's just like a unique part of it. Yeah. That's why I just
Suitor number 3 came in. Suitor number 3 come. I see you also gave a gift. I don't know what's inside it.
She will open your beauty.
Dang, bro, it's a surprise. Alright, okay. Yeah, that's it for today's video.
Honestly though, the balloon bursting wasn't my fault though. But in real life, no guy does that. No guy will do that in real life. All you wanna do is smash, bro. So girl, if you're watching this, we just wanna smash. We don't care about them flowers and candles and shit. We just wanna smash. Get it?
How do you feel about the date film?
The date it was okay. I was a winner, but truth be told, I would never do that in reality. I would never do that in reality. Just like, but the date was fine. It was okay. You know, I got no competition. Step on you.
They never appreciate.
How do you feel about the date?
Nah, man, they never appreciate, man. They never appreciate. But you know what? I'ma check that motherfucker out. Nigga, fuck you. What the hell? Anyways.
So, how do you feel about the date film?
Overall, I feel like that was like reality, In real life, I'm gonna snatch it. That guy wasn't nothing. That other guy wasn't nothing. He's nothing on me, bro. In bed, I'm a monster.